So it gets dark, at 4:30 or 5 p.m., which is super early, and I'm not a fan. But I haven't really had any lights in the bus, which means after that I'm just using the flashlight on my phone or something. So I decided to go ahead and put a couple of rechargeable battery-powered lights in today. They're lanterns, actually. I'm really excited about it. They're super cute. I'm going to show you. But, that way tomorrow, when I do the diesel heater, I'm not as pressed for time to do, last-minute finishing touches on it and, boxing it in and everything, because I'll be able to see what I'm doing. So, yeah, check this out. Happy 2021, everyone! So today I decided I was finally going to put in the diesel heater because I have been procrastinating for one reason or another. so here's my setup for now anyway. I'm gonna box all this in and everything, but diesel heater, there's my reservoir, you have the filter here and the pump. The hose goes down underneath and then comes up into the actual heater, and the exhaust and everything is going out through the floor as well. So, yep, that's my setup for now, and there's a controller. Let's get on this. So, what I figured out is if you go over here and you hit the OK button, it goes to this menu here. As soon as it says 80 degrees or whatever, it's hot as fuck in here right now. So, you hit the power button and the up button at the same time, and then you can adjust the temperature here. So, I'm just putting it on 60 because it's way too hot. And then you just hit the OK button. Now, it's pretty much a waiting game just to make sure that the temperature is going to lower. But it also comes with this remote here. And what I noticed is I was trying this out because this was all on Hertz before. So now, even the little remote will change it to Fahrenheit. So that's a good sign. Let's just wait and see now if the temperature actually lowers. So we're going to give it about an hour or so, and then I'm going to check again. We're back over here at it. Let's take a look. So that's the setting I had it on. So that's what it's running at. That's the elevation. There's no error code. This is the time right now, so it's 2:49. 71 degrees in the bus right now, and still set at 60. And then, so it has went down about 9 degrees, but the temperature has cooled down a little bit as well. So it's looking good. So the diesel heater is working great. It's so nice to be off that propane. I am so excited. Anyway, I want to thank you so much for watching. I super appreciate it. Hey, if you dig the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you put any comments, I will respond to those as quickly as I can. Thanks for following along with me on this journey. It is so awesome that people are interested in watching this. So I will see you in the next video so we can get even closer to finishing this bus conversion. Yeah! See you then.